Hello guys, with the new Livewire starter kit in Laravel 12, some people wanted other options for UI library than the default Flux. And in this video I will show you two options that were often mentioned in the comments on our YouTube videos, which is DaisyUI and MaryUI. I already had a similar video on switching Flux to Flowbyte, and I will link that in the description below. Now let's talk about other options. So the default Livewire starter kit has Flux, for example, Flux button, which looks like this. And this is based, by the way, on the course about starter kits with Livewire for beginners, which has much more functionality inside by the end of this course. And I will link that in the description below. Now let's go to DaisyUI. This is not related to Livewire, it's just Tailwind CSS plugin with component class names. Generally, to install it in Laravel, all you need to do is npm command and then add plugin DaisyUI to your app CSS. And then this is the code. I asked my colleague Neris to prepare a demo project in the branch, so instead of Flux input in, for example, register blade, you can do a blade component x text input, and then in that blade component you add classes from DaisyUI, like for example class input, and in the docs you may find a lot of different classes. For example, for button there's button success and others, and you may check the HTML for each of them, which looks like this. So for example, in the same register blade, after all those inputs down below, instead of Flux button, you add X button with button accent, for example. And then this is how the login form looks. Slightly different from the default Flux view, but then you play with DaisyUI classes to make components look exactly as you want. And then page by page, blade by blade, you replace Flux something with your blade components. Quite a lot of work, but this is what you would do if you want to replace Flux with whatever other library in the Livewire starter kit. And DaisyUI is not a Laravel or Livewire thing, whereas other alternative, MaryUI, is specifically for Livewire. This is the homepage, and MaryUI Livewire powered by DaisyUI. So DaisyUI is a dependency for MaryUI with just Livewire layer on top. So that's why the installation is composer require from Laravel level and then Mary install. Then again, GitHub commit for that change for the MaryUI. So MaryUI installer adds some stuff into app CSS automatically. And then again, for example, for the index blade of the table, you change Flux button to X Mary something. Or you replace the table, which was not even Flux, with X Mary table. That prefix of xMary is also configurable. And for example, after similar change to register blade, xMary input from Flux input and xMary button, here was the form with DaisyUI, and this is the form with MaryUI. Again, a bit different with paddings and fonts and spaces, so you get the idea. It's not one-to-one replacement visually, so you need to configure the components manually, but if we try to register and go to tasks table, this is how that tasks table looks with MaryUI. Compare that with the original simple table. This is no Flux, but these are Flux buttons by default. Also the sidebar menu looks a bit different, and again you can play around with that, but you get the idea. We didn't implement the full example, just a few components here and there to test it out. The principle actually works, so you can install that instead of Flux and step by step remove Flux as a dependency to one of those libraries that you want. What do you think about this approach? First, which one do you prefer, Daisy or Mary? And second, do you think it's worth spending quite a lot of time removing Flux in favor of one of those two? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.